Hey there, space enthusiasts, ready to take a giant leap into some lunar lore? Today we're going to dive into the giant impact hypothesis and uncover some truly bizarre facts about the moon's origin, its mysterious lunar surface, and a lot more. So, grab your moon boots and let's blast off on a journey that's going to be out of this world, literally. Alright, here's a mind bender for you. Imagine this, about 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized planet, let's call it Theia, decided it wanted to get a little too cozy with Earth. Bam! They collided, and the debris from this colossal crash eventually formed our Earth's moon. It's kind of like smashing two pies together and getting a cupcake out of it. Delicious and a little bit chaotic, right? Can you imagine what Earth would be like without the moon? No tides, no romantic moonlit nights, what a bummer, right? Let me know what you think would be different in the comments below. Now here's a fun fact. Our moon is a bit like that one friend who's always giving you the cold shoulder. Thanks to something called tidal locking, the moon's orbit and rotation are synced up perfectly, so we only ever see one side of it. The other side? It's like the dark side of your refrigerator, full of mysteries and maybe some expired cheese. Speaking of the moon's dark side, did you know it's actually more cratered than the side we see? Yeah, the far side has been taking all the hits from space debris like a champ. And get this, the moon's gravitational pull on Earth is so strong that it's literally moving our oceans. Talk about a long-distance relationship with some serious pull. The lunar surface is a mix of ancient scars from impact craters and vast plains known as Lunar Maria. But don't let the name fool you. There's no water in these seas. They're actually large plains formed by ancient volcanic eruptions. Think of them as the moon's version of a bad acne breakout during its teen years. And let's not forget the Sea of Tranquility, where humanity made its first footprints on the moon. Talk about making a splash. We can't wrap this up without talking about the legendary Apollo missions. Remember when Neil Armstrong took that small step for man on the moon's surface? Well, that's just one of the many milestones in space exploration. But did you know the Apollo astronauts also brought back moon rocks? Yep, actual pieces of the moon. They're like the ultimate souvenirs, way cooler than that keychain you got on your last vacation. If you could bring back anything from the moon, what would it be? Maybe a rock or perhaps a piece of moon cheese? Drop your ideas in the comments. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of space and enjoy a good space joke, hit the subscribe button to join our crew of space enthusiasts. Curious about more bizarre facts? Like this video and drop a comment below. And before you go, I've got one last question for you. What do you think caused the formation of the moon? Let us know your thoughts. Don't miss our next video where we'll uncover the secrets behind the mysterious lunar water ice discovery. Subscribe now so you won't miss out on any moon madness. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders, and we're just getting started on exploring them.